Hello friends, in this short and basic video, I'm going to show you how to create B5 paper size in Photoshop. So simple and basic way to make B5 paper size. You can open firstly page setup. So file, and here is the option page setup, and also you can use this shortcut Shift plus Control plus P. Shift Control plus P. So this dialog will open here. Here select B5 JIS. There are some more options like A4, A3, legal letter. But in case you need B5, so select it, then click on OK. You can change here margins and orientation. Then click on OK. So this is the way, guys, you can set and create B5 paper size in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.